Anyway, welcome to another app review for Android UpSpot. Today I'm going to be reviewing, not necessarily reviewing, but letting you know about Easy Tether. I'm pretty sure a lot of other people know about Easy Tether, or if you don't and you think that you can only tether your phone from by rooting and using one of the wireless tethers or one of the other tethers that require rooting, this one doesn't. So Easy Tether, you can search Easy Tether in the Android market and it'll come up. So when you open up Easy Tether, it'll have the enable USB tethering. Make sure that box is checked, and none of this other stuff here really makes a difference. Google Public DNS or OpenDNS, it doesn't really make a difference, but make sure that's checked. I believe when you first open the application, you'll get this: welcome to Easy Tether setup. It'll tell you what you're supposed to do, help you configure your smartphone and computer for USB tethering. Prerequisites are a smartphone with internet access and a computer with Windows 7 Vista or XP. This also does work for Ubuntu 10.04. So hit next, and if you already have the software, which you probably won't if you're just downloading this, you'll go to download, and it'll take your phone here, so you can see this. It'll bring you to this. It says they're coming out with the macOS X version soon. These are the 32-bit, 64-bit, and if you have a Samsung phone, you need the additional driver for the Samsung phones. If you don't have a Samsung phone, you don't need that. So you would just download if you have the 32-bit version of Windows 7 Vista or XP, or the 64-bit version of Windows 7 Vista or XP. And then the Ubuntu 10.04 is down here. If you have the 64-bit AMD processor, then you use the AMD 64, and for the others you use the i386. So alright, I have that already. It'll save to your phone under your downloads or wherever you ask it to save, and then you go in on your computer and you install that on your computer. I already have this installed, so I'll hit next. You enable USB debugging in settings, so you go to settings, application, and development, which I'll take you through with it. They're just gonna take you there, straight there. So you will go to settings, then you will go to applications, and then you will go to development, and then you click the USB debugging checkbox. But we're gonna do that. We're gonna check USB debugging. Okay, now when I go back to actually it's set up now. So when you go to settings and you activate USB debugging, it'll automatically, I'm gonna show my status bar up here so you can see when I plug it in, the USB connected comes up, and also USB debugging connected comes up at the top. So you see that red. That doesn't mean anything is wrong. It just means that your phone is in debugging mode, so that it can detect the drivers and the connection. Now, if you look at, I'm going to show you down here on my computer. It says connection established using legacy USB transport. So you see the USB, the Easy Tether icon down there, and connection established. So once you have that set, you're all ready to go.